Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Valorant error code 57 on PC. So to fix this issue, search for control panel in Windows search and open it. Click on uninstall a program. Here look for Right Vanguard, right click on it and click on uninstall. Again click on yes to allow. Now open Valorant. Here you will see update button. So simply click on update button to install Vanguard again. Click yes to allow. Once the installation completes, you have to restart your PC, but we will restart the PC later. Now in Windows search, type services and open it. Here look for VGC, right click on it, select properties. In starter type, select automatic, click on start to run the VGC. Finally, click on apply. OK. Now you can restart your PC. Then restart Riot Games, relaunch Valorant and check error code 57 is fixed or not. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.